Everyone thinks this influencer is real. Her videos look natural, the movements feel human, and people interact with her like she's an actual person, but she's not real. First, you enter the AI Influencer Studio. Here you can either use pre-made influencers that are already going viral on social media, or you can click Create New and build one completely from scratch. Creating from scratch gives you full control. You start by choosing what your influencer is. You can select a human character or something more creative. For this example, we choose human. Next, you select the gender, male, female, or other available options. After that, you choose the region or ethnicity. Asian, Indian, African, European, Middle Eastern, mixed. You decide how your influencer should look. Then comes skin color. You can keep it natural or experiment with different tones depending on the style you want. Next, you select eye color. Brown, black, gray, blue-green. Small details like this make the character feel believable. Then you choose the age group, teen, adult, or mature. This helps match the type of content you want to create. At this stage, many people think the customization ends, but this is where the real control begins. You turn on advanced settings. Inside advanced settings, you can customize facial details, eye types, eye structure, eye effects like glowing, blind, or mechanical styles if you want something unique. Then you move to mouth and teeth settings. Normal teeth, sharp teeth, stylized options, useful for cosplay, fantasy, or creative influencers. Next comes ears, skin material, and surface patterns. You can choose human skin, metallic skin, scales, or other textures. You can even add surface details like scars, marks, or patterns. These details make the influencer feel more real and relatable. Once everything is selected, you click Generate Influencer. The AI now creates your influencer based on every choice you made, and the result looks natural. The face is consistent, the body proportions make sense. Nothing looks random. If you want to make changes, you don't need to rebuild anything. You simply type what you want to edit. For example, changing skin tones, small facial details, or style adjustments. Click Edit, and within seconds, the influencer updates while staying consistent. You'll see options like Regenerate, Edit, Nano Banana Pro, Motion, and Save. Once you're happy with the character, you save as influencer. Now comes the most powerful part, Motion. You click on Motion, then Explore More. This opens the motion control section. Here, instead of animating manually, you use a reference motion video. You can upload a dance clip, walking clip, or any movement video from Instagram or anywhere else. The AI analyzes the motion and applies the same movement to your influencer. You choose the output quality, 720p or 1080p, and you select scene control mode. For best results, you set it to video, so the background comes from the reference video. Once everything is selected, you click Generate. This step may take a little time because it's heavy processing, but the result looks incredibly realistic. The influencer moves naturally. Steps are copied properly. Body motion looks smooth. Most people watching these videos can't tell it's AI. That's why AI influencers are performing so well right now. Now let's talk about the earning part. Inside Higgsfield, there's a program called Higgsfield Earn. This is an official creator program. If you create AI influencer content using Higgsfield tools and post it on social platforms like Instagram or YouTube, you can submit that content to Higgsfield Earn. You click Start Earning. You choose whether you're an Instagram creator or a YouTube creator. Then you enter your username and continue. But instead of waiting for monetization or brand deals, this gives creators another way to experiment with AI influencer content. Higgsfield runs campaigns regularly, and creators who participate and follow the guidelines can earn based on performance. Everything you need to explore this is in the description. And if you want to create realistic AI avatar video, watch the video on the left. To create studio quality AI music, watch the video on the right.